Today I'm going to teach you how to change checkbox color in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is particularly useful when you want to customize forms to match your branding or simply make checkboxes more visually distinct and easier to identify. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document where you want to change the checkbox colors. This will open your file in the main workspace where you can begin making modifications. Now, look to the upper left corner of your screen and click on All Tools. This will expand your options and give you access to the full range of features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro. From here, you'll need to access additional options, so in the left sidebar, click on View More. This reveals more tools that aren't immediately visible in the default view. Next, look for Prepare a Form and click on it. This tool is specifically designed for editing fillable form fields, including checkboxes, text boxes, and other interactive elements. Once you've clicked it, Acrobat will analyze your document and display all the form fields, making them easier to locate and modify. Now comes the main part. Right-click on the checkbox you want to change the color of, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens a dialog box where you can customize various aspects of your checkbox, including its appearance, behavior, and formatting options. In the Properties dialog, click on the Appearance tab. This is where you'll find all the visual customization options for your checkbox. Here, you can control everything from borders to fill colors, giving you complete control over how the checkbox looks. Navigate to Border Color, then click the color picker beside it. This allows you to select your preferred border color from a palette or enter a specific color code if you have exact branding requirements. Choose the color that best suits your needs and the overall design of your form. If you also want to customize the interior of the checkbox, navigate to Fill Color, then click the color picker beside it to select your preferred fill color. This is the color that will appear inside the checkbox when it's selected, so choose something that provides good contrast and visibility. Once you're satisfied with your color selections, click Close to apply the changes and exit the Properties dialog. If you have multiple checkboxes in your document that need the same color treatment, simply repeat these steps for each one. This ensures consistency across your entire form. After you've made all your changes, it's important to preview how they look. In the bottom left corner, click Preview to see the changes in action. This allows you to test the checkboxes and verify that the colors appear exactly as you intended before finalizing everything. If everything looks good, click Exit Preview in the upper right corner to return to editing mode. Finally, don't forget to save your work. In the upper right corner, click the Save button to preserve all your color changes. Your PDF now has customized checkboxes that match your specifications. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.